Gonna make some aloe vera gel for hair. There. This is my aloe vera plant here. They're okay. They're not that big, but we can get some gel from it. There. Okay, so we're gonna extract the gel from the aloe vera. First, we're gonna take these spikes off. There. And then I think this is what we're gonna do with this. Okay. This is pure aloe vera juice. There. Good. That's strain. That's good. Wow. So now this is pure aloe vera juice. There. Now I can put it in this bottle that I have here, and I'll keep it in the refrigerator, and I just want it to be just the pure aloe vera gel for my hair. I don't like it with oil, so that I can really massage it on my scalp, and my hair won't get oily. So this is how much I got from the 2 leaves of aloe vera. It's not my aloe vera right now is not that healthy because of the heat here in Arizona, and I just let them be outside I have some aloe vera here inside, but this is a different kind of aloe vera here. But the one that I got today for my aloe vera gel is a different variety of aloe vera. So I'm gonna take a shower, and after I take a shower, I'm gonna put this aloe vera juice on my hair, and I use this as a conditioner. Actually, it straightens my wavy hair. That's why I like using aloe vera as my leave-on conditioner on my hair.